Hey, this is you. You've been trying to build an app for many days, many weeks, or even many years. You really do not know where to start, and the thing is, every single day you open X, you open Instagram, and you see people sharing some beautiful dashboards with some juicy numbers, with big revenue, big and juicy MRR. And the thing is, you're wondering why can't it be me? You also have amazing ideas. I'm pretty sure that you're someone that's creative. And the thing is, you might be a developer or you might be someone that never coded anything in his life. And you're like, man, building an app seems so fucking hard. I cannot achieve it. It's impossible. Okay? But don't worry, guys. I'm here for you. I'm pretty sure you're someone that's creative every single day when you go outside, when you live life, when you talk with your friends, you have some pretty good ideas. And the thing is, you would love to take those ideas to the app store, to have your own app, to be able to sell a product, to be able to help the world, to be able to achieve something. And let me tell you, it's totally doable. I did it myself with zero coding experience. I built an app using just the tools that I'm gonna show you in this video. So let's get into it. The first tool you guys need to use if you want to build an app, it's Claude Code, okay? I'm pretty sure most of you heard of it. In my experience, it's the best tool you can use to build an app, to code, even if you have no coding experience. Before I got Claude Code last year, I had no coding experience at all. I didn't know anything. I just did a bit of Python in high school and I was so bad at it. So Claude Code, what is it gonna do for you? Claude Code is gonna help you code the actual app. It's gonna help you choose the stack you need, because you might need a specific stack. It's gonna help you edit the files in your code base. It's also gonna help you push and commit the code to GitHub. So as someone that doesn't know how to code, opening Claude Code might be the best thing you can do in your life. It's basically an LLM that you're gonna speak to with words, just using words, and it's gonna do all the heavy lifting for you, okay? You won't need to understand anything about coding. And the nice thing about Claude Code is if you have doubts, you can ask him question, okay? You can be like, listen, I'm not a developer. I want to achieve this project. Can we brainstorm it together? Can we do a little brainstorming session? And can we find a way on how we can achieve it? And it's gonna help you. Claude Code is beautiful. Please download it. You have a few different plans. The most basic plan is the $20 plan, which is quite amazing. Most people say you cannot build anything using the $20 plan. I disagree. If you don't use the highest model, they have many models. They have Opus, they have Sonnet, they have Haiku. If you use Opus, yes, I think you're gonna reach your limit pretty quickly. But if you use Sonnet, it's going to be good. If you use Sonnet and you think clearly and you explain clearly what you want to code, you're going to be fine. You won't reach any limits. You also have a $100 subscription or a $200. Pretty much it's the same software, but the more you spend, the more credits, the more tokens you will have. And so you won't reach your limits at the same time. Like if you want to do some really, really heavy lifting, you can use Opus, and I would advise you to use the $100 or the $200 plan. But to start, to begin with, the $20 plan is more than enough. Okay, second tool that you're gonna need is called Railway. Railway, just like this. So the great thing about Claude Code is it's gonna help you write the actual code, but you want an app, okay? So to have an app, you need the actual app on the phone, but you also need the backend, the backend that's gonna have all the database, that's gonna have your APIs, that's gonna have your variables, all these things that are deeply needed to run the server part of your app. whether it is social media, whether it is texting, user base, anything that's in your app is going to be hosted online on Railway. So it's a great way to deploy your app. You know, you can add a custom domain, you can increase the security of your app, you know. It's really easy to use. You can pretty much ask Claude Code how to deploy on Railway, and it's pretty cheap, you know. Like, to begin, it's $5 the hobby plan, which is quite cheap, to be honest. The thing is, you have other services that help you deploy. I tried a lot of them. You have Railway, Vercel, Netlify, Cloudflare Pages. In my opinion, as someone that doesn't come from a developer background, from a coding background, I think Railway is the most comprehensive one and the easiest one to use, in my opinion. After that, you're gonna have Resend. Resend is beautiful. You know, I think it's a recent startup. I don't know when they have been created. Resend, what is it doing? It's helping you send emails, you know, because when you have an app, you will have authentication/logins, and you actually need to send email to some people, you know, like if someone forgot his password, if you want to do the onboarding slash the welcome email, you know, you actually need a service that's going to send emails for you directly to your customers, and Resend is a great one, you know. I'm pretty sure it's free. It's free to use up until some sort of usage, but if you have a big usage, it means that you have customers, that you have users, and so it means that you're making money. So you'll be happy, more than happy to pay Resend. Before I go to the next tool, let me tell you something. I'm launching currently a free Claude Code course, you know, to help you code an app from scratch without being a developer. I'm gonna tell you and explain you everything that I did to build my app from idea to actual app store, you know. It's totally free. You just have to go on the website in the description and to type your email, and you're gonna receive the material from the course I'm building right now. Okay, let me continue. This tool is amazing. It's called Cloudflare R2. Okay, Cloudflare R2 bucket. What is it for? It's to host images, okay? The good thing about Cloudflare R2 bucket is that it's incredibly cheap, okay? It's way cheaper than AWS, you know, from Amazon. You can pretty much link it directly to Railway, and it's gonna manage and host every image you have in your app. For example, if users are uploading images, if it's an app that allows it, it's gonna cost you way less compared to AWS, especially because you do not have egress fees, you know, which is quite amazing. To set it up, again, you can just ask Claude Code to do it. It's pretty straightforward. It's pretty easy. You just have to create a Cloudflare account. And last but not least, you want an app, okay? You want to make money with it. I'm pretty sure you want to make money, because unless you want to build a charity, which is amazing, and I encourage you to build a charity, you want to generate money, okay? A great way to generate money with your app is to use a tool that's called Revenue Cat. So basically, what RevenueCat does, it allows you to create subscriptions, you know, for example, monthly, weekly, yearly, and it allows you to do something great, to build paywalls, you know. So if you don't know, a paywall is the screen that will show your different subscriptions to your customers, to make them pay, you know, to make them become go from users to actual customer. So RevenueCat is great. It also shows you the dashboards. The dashboard I showed you at the beginning of the video is directly coming from RevenueCat. It helps you see an overview. You can see your active trials, your active subscriptions, and the money you're making on a recurring basis, the revenue you made as well, your new customers, your active customers. It's super great, and it allows you to create some high converting paywalls to increase the number of people that will go from simple user to actual customer of your app, because I'm pretty sure you also want to generate money with it. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. These are the 5 tools you need in order to build an app. Don't forget to click the link in the description if you want to access my free Claude Code course on how to build an app without being a developer. And I'll see you tomorrow for a next video. Have a good day. Bye bye.